Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to make Microsoft Edge as default browser in Windows 11 operating system. Click on search option here. Type default apps. Here we can see default apps. Click on this. And here set defaults for applications. Click on Microsoft Edge. Okay. Here we can see Microsoft Edge. Click on this. Here we can see make Microsoft Edge your default browser. Click on set default. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.